How to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. What you want to do is click on these three dots and then go to settings. Once you're here in the settings, you want to go to privacy and security. And here you want to go to site settings. And then once you're here in the site settings, you want to scroll down till you see pop-ups and redirects. And here, I believe, if you want to have this enabled for every site, then you want to enable this right here. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, and that will enable it for every single website. But if you want to only have this enabled for a specific website, then what you can do is here where it says allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects, it should either be already here, or you simply want to click on add and then add the URL of that site in here as well. So then that site is also allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. So that is basically it. I hope this quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.